So Mr. Evan, rockstar, LO, less than 2 years in the business, big business, super busy all the time, continuing to grow. Give me some background on like how has Mortgage Coach made a difference like in your day to day? How do you use it? What do you find most effective? I would love for someone being newer, because everyone remember it's too busy, or I don't have enough time. Like, how do you use it? Because I think you use it a lot.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, it's funny when Jeremy actually asked me if I use it, the exact words I used was religiously.
Yep.
Because not only has Jeremy made it very clear from the beginning, we kind of have to use this because of how powerful it is for clients, but also how easy it is to use, really. And so the two examples I want to give with Mortgage Coach is first, I was prospecting a team a couple of years ago, kept going after the team lead, finally got an appointment with him. And then I showed him basically, obviously in our conversation, he was telling me what his issues were with previous lenders, with the lender they're working with. And a lot of it came down to things that the TCA could answer. The clients never knew what their cash to close was. They would never review mortgage options with them. It was just basically, hey, enjoy this interest rate. This is what you're going to get. And that was it. So I was able to win over a team, which has been huge, obviously, for my business. And then the example I want to share with a client that was so amazing because right now, right, rates are going up. People are obviously shopping, which, as Jeremy said, is completely normal. And it's obviously a good thing. I was able to speak with a client, which is a strategy I'm implementing right now with Mortgage Coach, is actually having a conversation with the client on the phone while they're looking at their options.
So Evan does it exactly how Alex was just saying, that it's really, really powerful. So this is a great segue. We didn't plan that, for the record, on like how Evan uses it a little bit different than me. Like I do that sometimes. Evan does this all the time. So keep going.
Yeah, totally. So yeah, I found this to work very, very well. It is basically getting them on the phone and then obviously walking through the different options with them. But in doing that, obviously I can find out more kind of about their goals, that sort of thing around the home specifically. So this client, when I had her pre-approved, it was purely about the lowest interest rate. She was going with Quicken, with Chase. I think Union Bank was one, every lender you could imagine. And basically, once she got into contract, then I just had a conversation with her and her husband and found out that they actually want to do a lot of remodels on the home. And they don't have a ton of money to work with. So they're utilizing, a pretty low down payment program. And so what I showed them was an option where they actually got a $5,500 rebate instead of picking the absolute lowest interest rate. And then from there, was able to save them some money. They went with me with the higher interest rate, got a little bit of credit back to cover some of their closing costs. And now they actually get to do those improvements that they want to do. So if I didn't have Mortgage Coach, I definitely wouldn't have been able to obviously show them that.